Hello and welcome to DirectFromOwner.eu. In this tutorial, we will go through the details of how to register a property on the website. To register a property, you need to log in to your account first. Click on My Account. If you already have an account, click Login. If you don't have an account, click on Register. In the user registration page, fill in all the required details and click Register once again. This simple process will create an account for you. Once you are logged in, you are approved to register your property. Go to the navigation tab above and click on Register a Property. The first page in the registration form is all about you, the owner. Please note that the information you write here is fully visible to the property buyers, and these same buyers will contact you on this information. Therefore, please make sure that this information is correct and accurate. The second page in the registration form is about the property, and in this section, you should give the buyer as much as possible information. The more accurate you are in this section, the more informed and serious buyers you will receive. Wherever there is an asterisk next to the Information tab, it means that the information is important and therefore mandatory, and the website will give you an error if that information is left empty. Such important information is the selling price, the type of property, the size of the property, and its status, amongst others. Please take your time to fill in this section in detail to provide the buyers with as much information as possible. At the end of this section, you will need to write a title and a description. We need to stress out that these two are very important because the title and the description are what will reach your buyer's attention in the first place. Invest time in your title, and you will get interested buyers. Once you're satisfied with the information you provided, including the title and the description, click on Next to move on to our geolocation system. In this section, you need to choose the location of your property to register the location on our geolocation system. On a computer, click Control and scroll to zoom in. If you think it will help you, you can also change to satellite view by clicking on the satellite button. Navigate the map using your mouse to find the location of your property. Once you have found the location, simply click once on your property and a red marker shows up. All that's left is to click Next. Finally, we came to the end of the registration process. The last section is to upload your property images. There are two sections at this stage. The first section is to upload the main image. This image will be the featured one, so that when the buyers are searching through multiple properties on the website, this image is what they see. The second section is to upload the rest of the images. There is a limit to the size of the images to be uploaded, so kindly respect the images' sizes. Once ready, click on the Terms and Conditions confirmation tick box and click on Add New Property. Once clicked, the property is uploaded to our system and showcased. This is your uploaded property and can be found in the My Account section. Here you can edit and delete your property. If the property is sold or rented out, we really appreciate that you remove your property from our system. We would like to give you the best experience with us as a seller. But we also want to give an excellent service to the property seekers and buyers, and we would not be doing so if our sellers keep sold property online on our website. To minimize this issue, all properties will have a 6-month expiration period, and after the property expires, it will be deleted. On behalf of Direct From Owner, I would like to thank you for watching this video, and we look forward for you to join us in this journey. Thank you.